Welcome back to the Pneumatic Lab. Today we finally start smashing cans. I prepared cans and I rebuilt a little bit our can smasher. I rebuilt it like several times, like 4 or 5 times. Each time I found something that I could upgrade. This year I changed a piston a lot. If you remember, it was like a square, now it's a circle, and it should push a much more better. So let's start with can smashing. And welcome back again. As we see here, we have double acting cylinder and the mechanical 5-2 valve. And so far it worked perfectly. Only thing that we need to know now, it's can it smash the can really? Let's place it straight in the center. So let's go. Compressor turned in. So I guess thank you for watching, and now I need to understand what I want to do next with this, because the point was like fully automated the process that you just drop in the bottle, not bottle but can, and it's go straight this place by itself and crash automatically. So see you in the next one.